Look at this rain at night. God, this phone started taping right after I ate a big fat sandwich. I just took 2 pieces of homemade bread, and it's barely a piece. The crust didn't hit the bottom because I cut it wrong the way. And I just put 2 big chunks of cheese, 2 slices of turkey, and a slight layer, not layer, but just scoop of mayo on one side. Yeah, this. See how crazy it got right as I started videotaping it? Yeah, probably can't see the top of that building. I don't know if I'm videotaping the building. What's that? Well, I get an idea how crazy this is. I don't know if I have it in a filter or something that makes it harder to see at night. Maybe my night vision's bad. Oh, the rain. Let me get my hood on. It's gonna lean out. There we go. Let's zoom in a little bit. See all that rain? Yeah, but you can tell it's raining over the car and on the floor. The sky. Yeah, you can really tell over there. That's the only part you can tell it's raining. And probably also the noise. And the fact that it's thundering. Everything's wet. More evidence, see? It's going down. But yeah, this is what I want these. Yeah. Like a bug. Looked him off. Moth just flew by. Oh, it's come back. The moth. Oh, it's gone. Yeah, this is a cool rain. No, I might go and watch some YouTube videos, maybe spooky YouTube videos to get in a nice mood because it's raining, Been watching this cool series by a YouTuber, The Librarian. It's From the Fog Minecraft. It's the second series. It's to me in the future because I know I'm not going to show the same one else. But if you remember, it's about them having to build a mansion, a room to a house, they just keep going, expanding rooms and stuff, making it confusing. They kind of role-playing to aspect of it, From the Fog, it's called. So yeah. Probably never see this, though 90% probably not see this. Whatever. It's nice to enjoy the rain. It's dying down. It's always nice to enjoy the rain and the thunder. Helps things get lush. What are you gonna say, Dad? He's gaming. What are you gonna say, Dad? What are you gonna do? Deep rock. What are you gonna do, Dad?
Still raining out there, good?
Yeah, it's still raining, but what are you gonna do?
What am I gonna do?
Yeah, what are you gonna do, Dad?
Bernie, don't put me on your thing, dude.
What are you gonna do, Dad? I'm gonna cry chop you. What are you gonna do?